Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is about the daytime smoky look, the look that I've created right here. Those who are new to my channel, this is Disha Karvat. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please keep watching. Starting with the Cetaphil moisturizer, going all around my face and giving the hydration that my skin needs, and just blending into my skin. Then going with the porefessional primer that is from Benefit. I actually love this primer, and applying it on my nose, chin, wherever there are large pores, and just blending. Going for my brows using the CK palette. I love this 3 shades. It's actually for Indian skin tone eyebrows, and just grooming my brows with a spoolie and fighting for my brush. Yes, and taking the angular brush, I'm just going in, starting from the middle and then to the end. Not too much, just a little bit. And we'll be doing the same on my another brow. Taking my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Pure Page and just giving the base to my lids and just buffing in the concealer. It's a very good base for the eyeshadow since we are doing the daytime smoky look. And again going in with my finger and buffing it. Taking the Kat Von D shade in light palette, setting my eyes with the lightest banana color. Then taking my Jacklyn Hill palette, and I love this palette. It has warm shades, so taking the light brown and going into my crease, keeping my hand really very soft because I don't want harsh lines. Just doing a windshield motion, taking the darker brown and taking the brush that packs the eyeshadow and just packing the brown eyeshadow on my lids. Remember not to smudge, just pack to give that intense brown. Doing it all over my lid. Then taking the previous fluffy brush and then going in my crease and just blending out all the harsh lines. And just blending the two eyeshadows that we did. And giving it a nice transition. Doing the same on my other eye. So I have given the warm and cool tone mixture here. Then going in the corner and little bit darker brown I have taken. So I'm just packing it on the corner of my eye. Doing the same on the other side. Taking the highlighter shade and just applying it on my brow bone. This really photographs well in the pictures. Taking my Huda Beauty Rosegold Remastered and taking that shade because I didn't like the cool and warm tone, so I'm just making it like a complete warm tone eyeshadow. I've taken the cocoa shade from the palette. Taking my Bobbi Brown mascara. It has a really nice thin wand, so you can be precise with your eyelashes. And I'll be doing the same on the other eye. Taking my falsies, I've put them off camera. I'm taking Makeup Forever and PAC foundation. I really love the mix of both. So today I'm doing a little bit full coverage foundation since it's a smoky eye look. So I want a very flawless base for it. Taking my beauty blender and just buffing the foundation into my skin. Also on my forehead, my chin area. Make sure to blend really very well if you want that flawless finish for your skin. Taking my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige and concealing my under eye. The consistency of this concealer is really very good. It gives you full coverage. And also blending it with my beauty blender. Take time for blending because you don't want any crease. And taking my PAC contour stick in the shade D32, contouring on the much needed areas, on the jawline, on my nose, on my chin, and also on my cupid bow. So this has a really very warm shade which I like. Taking the buffing brush and just buffing the rest into my skin. Make sure to take it to your hairline when you do it on your forehead. Taking my shade in Light Cat 1D palette and just setting my under eye with the same banana light powder. And also a little bit all over my face. Not too much, just a little bit because I also want that dewy finish. I forgot to blend my nose contour area, so I'm doing that. Again, taking the setting powder and setting my nose. Taking the light brown shade and going under my eyes and giving it a little bit smoked out effect. Not too much, just a little since it's daytime look. Going with the Cheek and Cheerful Travel Kit palette, which I found on the Dubai airport. And taking the Hoola bronzer and bronzing on the area where I have contoured. On my jawline, on my forehead, and also a little bit on my nose. Taking the Tart Wheel blush palette and taking the peachy tone for my cheeks and just patting it on the apple of my cheeks. Taking the PAC highlighter in the shade 05. I love this highlighter. It has a really nice shade. It's a rose gold shade and looks really very well on your skin. Also doing it on my brow bone, on my nose, on my cupid bow, and also on my chin. I love always going overboard with my highlighter. Taking the brown lip liner and just lining the outer side of my lips. Taking this shade and just a little bit on my lips as well. Wow, I love the shade. This is Teddy Bear shade from PAC Liquid Matte Lipstick. Just look at that shade. It's got such a nice peachy yet warm tone. Just lining it over my lips. Wanted that nude lip effect with the smoky eye. Yeah, so here I am doing my thing. This you can wear it during day, night, it completely depends on you. This will look good on both the hours. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And yes, below are the products listed. And thank you for watching, guys.